Sahih Al-Bukhari 3651, narrated Abdullah radiallahu ta'ala anhu. The Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam said, the best people are those living in my generation, and then those who will follow them, and then those who will follow the later. Then there will come some people who will bear witnesses before taking oaths, take oaths before bearing witnesses. Ibrahim radiallahu ta'ala anhu, a sub-narrator, said, they used to beat us for witnesses and covenant when we were still children. Al-Bukhari 3652, narrated Al-Bara radiallahu ta'ala anha. Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anha bought a camel saddle from Azib for 13 dirhams. Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anha said to Azib radiallahu ta'ala anhu, tell Al-Bara radiallahu ta'ala anha to carry the saddle for me. Azib radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, no, unless you relate to me what happened to you and Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam when you left Makkah while the pagans were in search for you. Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, we left Makkah and we traveled continually for that night and the following day till it was midday. I looked around searching for shed to take the shelter, and suddenly I came across a rock and found a little shed there. So I cleaned the place and spread a bed for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the shed and said to him, lie down, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam lay down, and I went out looking around to see if there was any person pursuing us. Suddenly I saw a shepherd driving his sheep towards the rock, seeking what we had already sought from it. Asked him, to whom do you belong, O boy? He said, belong to a man from Quraysh. He named the man and I recognized him. I asked, is there any milk with your sheep? He said, yes. I said, will you then milk some for us? He said, yes. Then I asked him to tie the leg of one of the sheep and clean its other, and then ordered him to clean his hands from dust. Then the shepherd cleaned his hands by striking his hands against one another. After doing so, he milked a small amount of milk I used to keep for Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a leather water container, the mouth of which was covered with a piece of cloth. I poured water on the milk container till its lower part was cold. Then I took the milk to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whom I found awake. I said to him, drink, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he drank till I became pleased. Then I said, it is time for us to move, O Allah's Apostle. He said, yes. So we set out while the people, i.e. Quraysh pagans, were searching for us, but none found us except Suraka bin Malik bin Josham, who was riding his horse. I said, these are our pursuer who have found us, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, do not grieve, for Allah is with us. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.